How much does YouTube pay per view? In this video, we're gonna answer the question and show you how much money you can make from YouTube AdSense for every view on your videos. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How, and in this video I wanna give a comment shout out to HDZ Sports. Thank you so much for leaving a comment on one of my videos. I really do appreciate it. So if you do like this video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment and let me know your feedback. I'm giving out gift cards and all sorts of stuff on my channel to people who are showing the love and engaging with the videos. So let's answer this question. I've got a lot of videos on my channel that talk about, how much you make for 1 million views, how much people make per month, how much you make per view. These are common questions that a lot of people have who are considering starting a YouTube channel. So let's talk about something very basic and important to understand with YouTube revenue. What is CPM? You're gonna hear that term thrown out all sorts of times on YouTube and Google and AdSense and all sorts of any type of advertising. They use the term CPM. That stands for cost per impression, or more commonly, cost per 1,000 impressions. So a CPM is the rate at which you can get paid per 1,000 views. So if you have a CPM of $2, that means for every 1,000 views, you get paid $2. Now, $2 is a very standard estimate that a lot of people use for YouTube CPMs, but that CPM can range dramatically. It can range per video even. You can have a video on your channel that has a CPM of $2. You have another video on your channel that has a CPM of $20. It depends a lot on the content of your video. You're probably not gonna see a lot of, Samsung or Samsung advertisements on videos for like a 5-year-old, and you're not gonna see advertisements for kids' toys on videos that 45-year-old dudes are watching about like dirt bikes and stuff like that. So it really depends on the content of the video and the advertisers and how much it's, bidding. Advertising is bidding. So, whoever's willing to bid higher amounts, depending on the subject matter, you're gonna also make more money from that. So yeah, it is important to know that your CPM isn't just gonna be standard. It's not like it's gonna be $2 for you and everyone else in all your videos. It could range. That's just a conservative estimate that a lot of people use. So if we were to do some basic math here, if you did 2 divided by 1,000, you would earn 2/1000ths of a cent for every view, obviously. So yeah, that's how much money standardly you would get paid per view for a YouTube video if your CPM was $2. If your CPM was different, it would be different. 1,000 views is roughly the better way to think of it. Instead of thinking per view, it's better to think per 1,000 views because it's a lot easier to think in terms of $2 than 2/1000ths of a dollar. So let's say you have a YouTube channel. How do you get approved for Google AdSense? There are some requirements to keep in mind when trying to apply for YouTube AdSense. First of all, you need to make sure it's available in your country. So if you're not in the United States or Canada or one of the countries that supports AdSense, then you're probably not gonna be able to get paid for AdSense. You also need to have more than 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months. That can be a little bit tricky for new YouTube channels. The next one is probably the hardest one though. You have to get to 1,000 subscribers. This eliminated a lot of small channels from making money from AdSense, but it also is beneficial in the long term. I know there was a huge uproar when this came out about a year ago, but I do believe it's beneficial in the long term because those who are actually willing to build an audience are gonna benefit a lot more. So the CPMs are higher for people who have qualified, and you're not, sharing the AdSense revenue with so many millions of channels, Now it's only for the channels that are very serious about their content. You have to make sure that your content agrees with the policy, so you can't, use a lot of explicit content that's not approved for advertisers. And then you have to have a linked and approved AdSense, Google AdSense account, which isn't super difficult to get accepted for. So how do you enable monetization on your videos? I'm gonna show you just really quickly here in the back end of my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on a video by video basis. So right here in my video manager, you can see over here all these green dollar signs. If there's a green dollar sign, it means that I have monetization enabled, which means ads will appear on those videos. If I wanted to go to a specific video, I could click on it to edit it, or this also shows up when you're uploading a video, and you can turn on or off monetization. So right here on this video, I could click this monetization, and I have turned on monetize with ads, but I could turn that off. I can also, choose what type of ad formats to show, where to insert ad breaks. If you have a longer video and you want to add multiple ads to maximize your revenue, you can do all sorts of stuff like that individually per video. Occasionally you might see a yellow $ next to one of your videos. That just means that monetization was denied, but you can appeal it. And a lot of times it will say like you have to have so many 100,000 views or whatever. You can ignore that, just click review and submit, say my video is good if it is good. I mean, assuming you don't have explicit comment. Sometimes that happens. Just click review and usually you'll get monetization turned right back on and you'll be good to go. All right guys, that's how much money you can make per view on YouTube, and a little bit more about how to monetize with AdSense on your YouTube channel. If you have any questions for me, like I said, leave your comments below. Let me know what YouTube channel you're building, and let me know how close you are to actually qualifying for YouTube AdSense. How many subscribers do you have? Do you need a little bit push over the edge? Leave a comment below so people can check out your YouTube channel and help you reach that 1,000 subscriber mark so you can start making some money. All right guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. We'll see you in the next video.